Bonjour. Today I am going to talk about how to make the sentence and the structure of the sentence. Generally, for the young learner, we need to start from be verb and have verb with subject pronoun. Normally, the construction of sentence seems same as English, subject, verb, object. But here some things are very confusing for the children. In English, it is easy. I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, like this. But here, something very strange. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are masculine. Elles sont, they are feminine. But here, are seems confusing. Sometimes are written by a, sometimes some, sometimes at, sometimes so. So a student may be confused. So to stop or to evade the confusion among students, to reduce the confusion among students, we better teach them together with pronoun and be verb. For example, je suis professeur, tu es étudiant, il est gentil, elle est fille, nous sommes népalais, vous êtes français, ils sont garçons, elles sont filles. But here, are become so confusing. Somewhere a becomes are, somewhere some becomes are, somewhere at becomes are, somewhere so becomes are. So I gave here in my video some lines and I show the example also. So the students should learn in the early stage the pronoun and be verb together. Then they never forget. For example, we are not separating this, but tu es, vous êtes, nous sommes, ils sont, elles sont. Similarly, in have, same case repeated. For example, je, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have feminine. But here, have make more confusion. Somewhere, have write as a, somewhere avons, somewhere ave, somewhere on, somewhere are. That's why we better learn always we use subject pronoun and be have verb together and add the object. In the early stage of learning in French language, they're supposed to learn the verb together with the pronoun. Then there won't be confusion. Otherwise, there will be many confusion. In the class, students sometimes use to some. The meaning is same. You are, but it is not correct. nous sommes tous et. Sometimes they use ils et. The meaning is same, but it is incorrect in French. Similarly, in have also, they have same problem. J, I have. Sometimes students use LA. It is not correct. Sometimes they use vous et. It is not correct. So they're supposed to learn subject pronoun with have verb together. Then they just add the object and make the sentence. This is for the early learner. When they become confused in the early stage of learning French, they should use all the time subject pronoun and verb together. They should not be separated. If they separated, they become confused, like je, avons, nous et, like this confusion in French. So, for the teacher who teach French, they should teach them the subject pronoun and be verb or have verb together. They should not be separated. Then they used to learn and use particular pronoun and particular verb, be verb or have verb. Merci beaucoup. I try to give all details in my writing in the video. Please check it and have fun. Bonne journée. Merci beaucoup. Bon travail.